Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by making the connection. Pair your smartwatch to your phone and make sure both are updated. Once paired, install the Watch Companion app or enable notification mirroring in your phone settings so WhatsApp alerts can pass through. Make sure Bluetooth is active and the devices are charged. This prevents drops mid-setup. Now open the Companion app on your phone and the Watch App Store, because the next step is to link WhatsApp or set the notification permissions so messages appear on your wrist. You now install and link WhatsApp functionality. On your phone, open the Companion app and grant WhatsApp notification permissions, messages, contacts, and media previews so the watch can show content. If your watch supports a native WhatsApp client, install it from the Watch Store. Otherwise, install a trusted Bridge app on the phone and the matching Watch Companion. Once installed, make sure background activity is allowed so messages sync. Test by sending yourself a message. Watch for notification delay. You finish by testing and adjusting. Send a test WhatsApp message and reply from the watch using quick replies or voice-to-text to confirm two-way use. If notifications don't arrive, restart both devices, then recheck notification permissions and the Companion app's access. Make sure battery optimization isn't restricting background sync. Disable optimization for the Companion app if needed. Finally, update both apps and firmware once they're up to date. Messaging should be reliable. If problems persist, repair the devices.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.